Good afternoon, students. We are going to see question number 7 in exercise 1.2. Okay, if set A equal to A, comma, within set bracket A, comma B, that means what? A is one element and A, comma B is another element. Okay, write all the subsets of A. We need to take and write the subsets of A. How will you take and write? A, comma A, comma B is given. So how to write the subset? First I will write in single, then after that I will pair it, then empty set. Okay, so first A, okay, A, that is singleton set. Okay, one element is there, so it is singleton set A. Then A comma B, this is considered as one element. Alright, A comma B, which is considered as one element. Though it is in pair, it is considered as one element. Okay, so first I have taken A, then already you have the curly bracket. So with the curly bracket I have taken and common curly bracket I have given. Able to follow? So it is already given in curly bracket. So along with the curly bracket I have written and common curly bracket I have given. Okay, so singleton set, each element in single I have written A, then A comma B, then after that in pair I have to write. In pair how will I write? The same manner, A comma B, the common bracket I have taken, then the empty set. Okay, empty set, that is, this is null set. Okay, it is also called empty set. That's what it is written, null set or empty set. Okay, null set or empty set. Okay, so first null set it is written. If you want to bring the null set at the last also you can do, or first you can write the null set also as you wish. Alright, so here it is written null set, comma, இந்த element ஒரு element இருக்கிறதுனால அந்த ஒரு element curly bracket குள்ளார. This is considered as one element I said. Okay, so this will come under one element. So A comma B curly bracket and common curly bracket, comma, in pair I have to write. Okay, then A comma B. Okay, common curly bracket. So how many subsets are there? 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. This is considered as 1. Okay, so 4 subsets that we can make. Okay, so two elements are given. When two elements are given, I can make how many subsets? 4 subsets I can make. Okay, I have given you the formula, right? 2 power m. M is number of elements. Okay, how many elements are there? This is one element. I said this is considered as one element. So 2 elements are there. So 2 square, which is equal to 4. So how many subsets I can make? I can make 4 subsets. Okay, then going to 8th question, write down the power sets of the following set. Okay, write down the power set of the following set in your book, page number 11. Please take page number 11 in your book. Okay, see the definition of the power set. The set of all subsets of set A, the set of all subsets of set A, which is called the power set, and it is denoted by P of capital A. The set of all subsets, that means what? We found the subset, right now I taught you how to find the subset. Okay, ஸோ அந்த சப்செட் எல்லாம் கண்டுபிடிச்சி அந்த சப்செட்டுக்கு ஒரு செட்டு போடணும். செட்டுனா என்ன? காமன் ப்ராக்கெட் போடணும், காமன் கர்லி ப்ராக்கெட் போடணும், which is called power set, which is denoted by P of A. Okay, now just see A equal to 2 elements are given. I told you 2 elements, right? 2 power m, 2 square, which is equal to how many subsets we can make? 4 subsets we can make. Okay, 4 subsets we can make. So let's make the subset. Okay, so directly here we have made a power set. Okay, so like this also you can write. So this is a power set P of A, which is equal to, open a common bracket, open a common bracket. So first null set, then in single I told you to take and write. Okay, in single A க்கு ஒரு தனி curly bracket போடணும், B க்கு தனி curly bracket போடணும். Then in pair we have to write, that is A comma B. Then again at last common bracket. So how many subsets we have made? 4 subsets. Able to follow? So this is your P of A. Then take the next one. B, set B equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. Now how many elements are there? 3 elements are there. 2 power m. So 2 cube, 2 power 3, 2 into 2 into 2, which is 8. Alright. So P of B equal to power set we are going to make. Open a common bracket. Okay. First null set. Then in single we have to take and write I said. 1 தனியா எழுதணும், 2 தனியா எழுதணும், 3 தனியா எழுதணும், எதுக்குள்ளார எழுதணும், curly bracket குள்ளார எழுதணும். அதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன சொன்னேன், பேரா எழுதணும்னு சொன்னேன் இல்லையா. அப்போ 1, 2, 1, 3, okay, 2, 3. All right, that's all we can make, right? 1, 2 எழுதலாம், 1, 3 எழுதலாம், 2, 3. திரும்ப 3, 1 எழுதக்கூடாது, that's wrong. Okay, so 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, then 2, 3. That's what we have written. 1, 2, 1, 3 and 2, 3. Then at last we have to write all the elements. Okay, that is 1, 2, 3. Then common bracket, common curly bracket. So how many subsets we can make? 8 subsets. Count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 subsets we have made. So the set of all subsets of set B, which is called the power set. Close the common curly bracket. Able to follow? Now I hope you are all clear with how to make a power set. Okay, finding out the subset, putting it within the curly bracket, which is called the power set. Okay, then now see here we have 4 elements given. So 2 power m, which is equal to 2 power 4. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So how many subsets we can make? 16 subsets we can make. Okay, so P of D, that is power set of D, which is equal to first null set. Okay, then I told you to write in single. P தனியா, Q தனியா, R தனியா, S தனியா எழுதியாச்சா? அதுக்கப்புறம் கமா போட்டுட்டு write in pair. Okay, P, Q, P, R, P, S. All right, then Q, R, Q, S, then R, S. That's what we have written. Just see, P, Q, P, R, P, S, then Q, R, Q, S. All right, then R, S. At last we have to take and write all the 3 elements, that is P, Q, R. Okay, that is one set. P, Q, write in threes. First we are writing in pairs, then we are writing in threes. Okay, P, Q, R. Okay, then P, Q, S, then P, R, S, then Q, R, S. Then at last the 4 elements we have to take and write, that is P, Q, R, S. Close the curly bracket and the common bracket. Able to follow? Once again I will tell you, please listen carefully. How you have to write? Power set எடுத்து எழுதணும். சரியா? Power set எடுத்து எழுதுறப்ப என்ன செய்யணும்? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்ன சொல்லியிருக்கேன், காமன் curly bracket ஓப்பன் பண்ணிடணும். ஓப்பன் பண்ணிவிட்டு இது நல் செட். சரியா? நல் செட் போட்டுட்டு கமா. ஃபஸ்ட்டு தனித்தனியாக எடுத்து எழுதணும்னு சொல்லியிருக்கேன் இல்லையா? இங்கே 4 எலமெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்குது. அப்போ நம்மளுக்கு எத்தனை சப்செட்டுன்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். எத்தனை சப்செட்டுன்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது ஒரு ஃபார்முலா சொல்லியிருக்கேன். 2 power mன்னு சொல்லியிருக்கேன். அப்போ 2 power 4. அப்போ 2 4 டைம்ஸ் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணால் எனக்கு என்ன வந்துடும்? 16. அப்போ எத்தனை சப்செட்ஸ் ஐ ஹாவ் டு மேக்? 16 சப்செட்ஸ் ஐ ஹாவ் டு மேக். ஓகே, ஸோ நல் செட் கமா சிங்கிளாக முதல்ல எடுத்து எழுதணும். P எழுதணும், Q எழுதணும், R எழுதணும், S எழுதணும். அதுக்கப்புறம் எப்படி எழுதணும்? பேராக எழுத சொன்னேன் இல்லையா? ஓகே, P, Q. Seeing this itself you say P, Q, P, R, P, S. Then Q, R, Q, S. Okay, then at last R, S. Okay, so we have written in pairs. The next one we are going to write in threes. First 2s எழுதணும், அடுத்து 3s எழுத போகிறோம். ரைட்டாக எப்படி எழுதலாம்? P, Q, R. Right, then the P, Q, S. All right, then P, R, S. P, R, S. Then Q, R, S. And at last we have to take and write all the 4 elements P, Q, R, S. Close the curly bracket. Able to follow? Okay, then fourth question is set E which is equal to null set. Set E which is equal to null set is given. Okay, how to make a power set for this? E which is given null set. Null set means there is no element I said, but now null set itself an element. Able to follow? இப்போது E ஈக்குவல் டு நல் செட்டுன்னு கொடுத்துருக்கு. அப்போ இந்த நல் செட்டுன்றதே என்ன, அது ஒரு எலமெண்ட்டுன்னு அர்த்தம். ஓகே, E which is equal to null set means what? Null set itself an element. Okay, now let's see here how to make power set of this P of E which is equal to empty set. That is empty set. null set தான் ஒரே ஒரு எலிமெண்ட் தானே இருக்குது. அதனால தான் என்ன போட்டிருக்கேன், empty set போட்டுட்டு வெளியில் என்ன பண்ணியிருக்கேன், ஒரு common curly bracket போட்டிருக்கேன். Do you understand? Empty set I have written and outside I have written common bracket. Able to follow? That's all.